An update for you on one of our most talked about stories over the past week. A man accused of squatting inside a multi-million-dollar home in Queens says there is more to his side of the story, and he faced a judge's ruling over the case.
All right, investigative reporter Dan Krauth is with us. And wait, there's more.
There's more. We first reported on the story here on Mornings at 10 1 week ago. I had no idea the nerve it would strike with people, not just around the tri-state, but around the country and even around the world. When we first reported on the story, we tried to talk with Brett Flores, but he didn't want anything to do with our camera. So we caught up with him and his attorney outside of the courthouse. Take a look. We wanted to talk to your client. It's his face and his name that's out there.
That's all we're going to say for now.
He's the man accused of squatting in the family's $2 million waterfront home in Queens. The Landa family bought it back in October and haven't been able to move in. Nothing you want to say, Brett?
Nope. My client's not going to say it.
Brett Flores isn't talking, directing all of our questions to his attorney.
I can't give you the whole story.
Flores used to work for the former homeowner as a caretaker, was paid $3,000 a week until the owner died in January of last year. The house then went on the market and the Landas bought it.
No agreement, no lease, nothing. He is just technically an ex-employee. He worked for the guy that passed away, and that's it.
The Landas say they had no idea the problem they were inheriting.
So you go figure. My house, my keys, we paid for it.
The Landas are suing Flores in court, trying to get him evicted. Meanwhile, he's suing them for harassment. Flores claims he has audio recordings that will help tell his side of the story. Recordings he hasn't released to us or to the court and won't say what's on them. It's why they were in court this week.
That was adjourned today.
Adjourned because the judge gave him one more week to produce the evidence.
The revelation will turn this narrative on its head. The homeowner, the Landows, are not victims in this case.
He gave no proof as to why.
But it was listed for 2.6, and they bought it for $2 million.
Regardless of what they paid for the house, they have the deed to it. Why is your client still inside their home?
Because I'm suggesting there's a connection and story behind the reduction in sale price. And we'll give a more detailed response at a later date.
We paid exactly what the bank had asked for. So we didn't get a bargain. It was true to the money, to the number, and the condition of the house.
Court records also show Brett Flores, who also goes by Brett Fisher, was arrested for assault and harassment in an unrelated case in that home in question that we've been talking about. He's accused of picking up his wife, throwing her to the ground. She called police, and now he's also facing charges on that. So we have that case. We have the harassment case will be in court next week. Then we have the tenant dispute, which will take place in April. So this might be quite a long time before this gets resolved.
Wow, this is becoming quite the saga.
Right.
And now I want to know what's going to happen next in that case.
It could take at least a year for it to resolve.
Really?
Anytime there's someone that claims they have rights to a property, it has to go to landlord-tenant court. It does not go to the police. So it has to be resolved through the court system. I've been sitting in landlord-tenant court, and let me tell you, it's a saga in and of itself. You could put cameras in there 24 hours a day and tell stories every single day about what's going in there. And all these cases keep getting adjourned. They keep kicking the can to the next day, the next week, the next month. So an average eviction case can take a year in New York City. And since this story aired, I've received right here about 24 emails from people saying they are in the exact same situation. In fact, I went to a woman's house over the last week. I thought it would be your typical everyday interview.
Yeah.
She says she has a squatter inside her home. Little did I know we'd be right in the middle of a squatter standoff. Police were called twice. Someone was taken away in handcuffs. You won't believe who was taken away in handcuffs.
When does that air?
Well, I'm working at it right now. You'll be the first to see it.
Okay.
Once it's done,
All right.
I'll let you know. We'll be here.
This
Right at 10 o'clock?
Right at 10.
Right.
Mornings at 10. But emails every single day from people going from the same situation. I'm also talking to lawmakers who say in almost every district in the tri-state, they're seeing an increase in these cases.
That's why so many people are talking about this case, because there's so many others just like it.
Yeah, it's so frustrating, too. They feel helpless, so I'm glad you're stepping in.